Are you tired of juggling multiple SEO tools, struggling with keyword research, and spending hours creating content that doesn't rank? Meet WriterZen, an all-in-one SEO and content creation platform designed to simplify your workflow. With WriterZen, you can discover golden topic opportunities using the topic discovery tool, explore keywords with accurate search volume, competitiveness, and relevance through the Keyword Explorer, and then seamlessly move into the content creator where AI-powered insights and NLP suggestions help you write SEO-friendly articles. Users rave about how much time it saves. One reviewer even said WriterZen gave them 65 solid keywords in a single run, something even bigger platforms couldn't provide. Bloggers and marketers highlight how it makes outlining, keyword clustering, and writing far more efficient. On AppSumo, you can grab WriterZen as a lifetime deal, pay once and enjoy forever access, with options starting at just $79 for 5,000 AI words per month and increasing with higher tiers. Compared to expensive tools like Surfer or Ahrefs, WriterZen gives you powerful features without ongoing subscription costs. Plus, it continuously evolves with updates and improvements, ensuring long-term value. If you're serious about ranking higher, creating smarter content, and cutting your research time in half, WriterZen is the tool to check out. Don't miss this AppSumo lifetime deal. Click the link in the description and start writing content that ranks today.